Guys, this is how big this crab. My goodness. Look. It's like bigger than my hands. Look. Then we have here butter. Right. Now let's put the garlic. Then now I will add our butter. So now guys, we will put our crab. Kuya, no, just put it there. Soda. So guys, let's add some pepper. Then some rock salt.
That's rock salt or sea salt?
Sea salt. Sea salt.
Yeah. I'm just gonna save my own.
You know how to zoom in, zoom out now?
Yes.
I can also put the oligurs, guys. Oligurs.
Well, that's big.
What? Smells so good. Meron akong chef dito. Oh, good evening guys. In preparation for our New Year's Eve dinner. Here's my son, Dave. Dave is cooking or frying spring roll. And with my brother who is so in love. Yeah, posting picture of someone on Facebook. So Dave nga, yeah, I'm teaching Dave how to cook. Huwag kang walis yun. Wow! Dave is enjoying. Is it yum? So crispy, ah. One more bite. Oh. This is how we grill the fish here in our place. So, slowly cooked. Yeah. Ting, 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 ting. You can see it closer. This is yellowfin matik, diba? Yellowfin, guys. Fresh from the fishing port.